Here I have Motorola Moto G6 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as the following bootloader mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's here choose recovery mode and press power button to choose it. Now the device is booting into recovery mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to see the Android robot. And this is the Android no command robot. So now you have to start holding the power key and while holding power, press volume up once. And that's it. This is the Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to confirm it. Now scroll down again to choose yes and press power button to choose it. The device is whipping the cache files, so the phone is formatting all temporary cache files. Your other personal data won't be affected. And as soon as Android recovery mode pops up again on the screen, let's press the power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and rebooting. Let's just be patient and wait until the whole process will be completed. Alright, as you can see, the device is in a normal mode, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.